Happy birthday, Tita Angie. Masaya ako at kita-kita tayo uli for a long time. Mahal ka namin and mabuhay ka pa ng matagal pa. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday, Lola Angie. I wish you more years pa, no, para to continue enjoying life with your loved ones and family. More lang, kami, good health and we love you. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Long life at saka healthy. Sana makasama ka pa namin ng pag-aaral.
Happy birthday, Mari Angie. God bless you more.
Happy Mother's Day and happy birthday, Lola Angie. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I wish you na more years to come. Happy birthday po and happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mi. Sana lagi kang healthy po.
I'm down on my daydream. Oh, that sleepwalk should be over by now.
Hi, Tita Angie. Happy birthday. Ang cute-cute mo. Happy birthday, Tita Angie. Tita Angie, happy birthday. Salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin. Happy birthday.
Waiting for you, girl.
Sana hindi ka maging sakitin, lumakas ka pa. And lagi mo tatandaan na mahal ka namin ng mga apo.
Happy birthday! From your favorite apo, happy birthday, Mami Angie! Happy birthday, Mami Angie!
For 83 years of existency, let's give him a warm of applause. Our Lady of the Hour, Mami Angie!
Happy birthday, Mommy. Basta good health lang ang wish namin sa'yo para humaba pa rin yung buhay mo, makabutan mo pa rin yung debut ni Juliana at ni Samantha.
Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy birthday, Mommy. Namin mo lang lagi ka mo.
Out of the box and off of the page. Hey, look in the mirror. Is it calling you?
Lahat ng wish nila para sa inyo, something po. Happy birthday po.
Yeah, it's your time.
Alam mo ako, favorite ko. Kapag ngayon, yung repayment mo niya.
Finish line.
Anak, mabuhay mo. I love you.
Takes no foot on the brakes, 'cause the world is yours.
Salamat po sa lahat and happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng nanay. Thank you po dahil bigyan niyo po ng time yung nanay ko kahit na Mother's Day po ngayong araw na po. Thank you, thank you.